Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. As you already know, that we are on chapter 5 of business studies, that is organizing. In my previous class, we have discussed about organizing, its explanation and definition. And in my previous lecture, we have discussed about organizing process and its importance. Today, I have decided to go for organizational structure, its importance, little bit intro of types, and what is span of management. So student, today's first topic is our organizational structure. So what is organizational structure? Why is it important for any institute? When the manager are performing organizing functions, and organizational structure gets created automatically, which defines the job position, authority, responsibility of different employees. So it is also known as network of job position or hierarchy, which shows job position, different types of authorities, responsibilities of different employees of the institute. Now, organizational structure can be defined as a network of job position, responsibilities, and authority at different level. By seeing the chart of organizational structure, we can easily understood what is that person's job position, how much responsibility he is holding, and what are its authority. Or it can be defined as a framework within which managerial and operational tasks are performed. It also specifies the relation between people, work, and resources. This is important line, that organizational structures specify the relationship between the people, their works, operation, and resources. Narrow span of management results in the tall structure, whereas wide span result in the flat structure. Now, what are the importance of organizational structure? Basically, there are 5 importance of organizational structure. That is, structure organize properly all the operations of business and ensures better flow of communication in the institute. Second, a clear structure makes it easy to check the responsibility of each part of business operations. Third, a clear idea about the working style of an enterprise can be known from the organizational structure. That is, a person who is an outsider can easily get an idea about the working style of your enterprise by seeing the organizational structure of your company. Fourth, organizational structure allows correlation and coordination among different resources like human, physical, and financial. And the last importance of the organizational structure is that it clearly defines the level of management and span of control under each level. Now, just I have to introduce types of structure. Basically, there are 2 types of structure. One is functional and other is divisional. When the activities or job are grouped together, keeping in mind the function or the job, then it is called a functional structure. Whereas when the size of the organization is large and is producing more than one type of good, then the activities are related to one goods are grouped under one department. This is known as divisional structure. Now the last topic is span of management. Span of management means how many employees or subordinate can effectively managed by one manager, or how many subordinate can be effectively controlled by one superior. When the authority and responsibility of relationships are established in the organizing process, then the manager must keep in mind the span of control. After deciding the span of control, a scalar chain is developed of all the superior and subordinates, because the span of control clearly specify who has to report to whom. So students, today we have discussed what is organizational structure, its importance, little bit introduction regarding its types, functional and divisional, and last span of management. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.